David Overton. Today I've received something very exciting through the mail. Let's just see what's inside. Still inside its cellophane, this is a book I've been looking forward to seeing from one of my favourite brands, Lonely Planet. I've been following Lonely Planet for years and years, since doing lots of travels, picking up guides like this one, well thumbed, with all the basic details you need to get round, in this case East Africa, and I followed these around Southeast Asia, South America and all around the world. It's great. And going into cycling as we reach this I'm not going to say autumn, I'm influenced by the colours in this book, but as we reach this stage in life. So, not being satisfied with occupying my bookshelves with all the travelogues they've given me over the years, this is now vying for a proud place on my coffee table and an inspiration for the places I want to visit over the next few years. I completely love the idea of the Bavarian beer ride, which comes with photographs, advice, even the toolkit you should bring along, and a bit of background and alternative beer routes as well. So I can see each route has got fabulous photographs, a great deal of description. This is the one I'm doing this year, the South Downs Way. It's a wonderful trail that we have in the UK and starts within a few miles of my house. We're travelling all 109 miles of that. It's an epic book from a fabulous brand, and SplashMaps really endorse this. It will encourage you to get outside, it will encourage you to do the things that will make you love this world even more. Thank you very much, Lonely Planet, for creating this for us. Just for information, this book costs about £25 and I'm sure it's available from most good bookshops.